I have already created this design, so that will not take much time to add some interactions to that. So first of all, I'm going to duplicate this text and detach the instance and remove the prototype settings that I have added earlier. Now I'm gonna just duplicate this text and add other text for the animation. So follow along for the better understanding. Now for the next step, I'm gonna combine these three components together by applying the auto layout, and remember to tick mark the clip content before you drag the frame upwards. Now only you have to do is duplicate this frame and remove the auto layout and move your text upwards. You have to select all these three components and then move these three text upwards so that the next step would come in that next frame. Follow along for the better understanding. And one more thing you have to remember is that the text that is going upward outside the frame, you have to make its opacity to 0% so that it will give a nice effect while animation. So for the next step, just select all these three and create a component set. Now what you have to do is click on first frame and click on this plus sign and drag the wire to the next frame. Now in interaction details, I will add the after delay with 200 milliseconds, and in animation I will add the smart animate with gentle interaction in 800 milliseconds. I will keep it same for all these three. Drag the wire, add after delay with 200 milliseconds. And for the last one, I will drag its wire to the first one so that it will play in a loop. Now I will test the prototype. So for the buttons, you have to select the while hovering effect in the interaction details, and in animation, you just have to select the smart animate. And that was it. That was all for today. And I hope you all guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. And I will see you all next time. Bye bye.